Welcome to Fashion Cells. For today's video, I will be sharing with you my new pattern that I created. It's really easy to follow. It does not contain a lot of steps, so let's start with this video. The first step, as always, is to place the pattern on the fabric. My patterns do not have extra 1 centimeter sewing allowance, so be aware always to add 1 centimeter sewing allowance. You have front and back piece, and of course the first step will be, once you cut them out, is to sew the sides all the way around. Don't sew the opening for your neck and the opening for your arms. The second piece is of course the lower part, which will be covering your butt cheeks, and it's also very easy, just connect the lower line. To make this a little bit more fancy and as well as more sustainable, I also created the little trim from the same fabric, and I put it around the neckline and around the arm openings. I also created this little trim from the same fabric as well, that you can close where you don't have to flash a lot with your boobs. So I actually added, you don't have to do it, but I added because I feel comfortable with not showing my bikini, just out there like that. This step is also very optional. I added these beautiful shells around the neck opening because I really wanted to create this more like a, bohemian kind of like ocean style. So the pearls and the shells just look really, really beautiful. I don't have specific way how I did it. I just saw what I had. So I think it really looks good. I should have bought more, but I didn't. So it's gonna be like a halfway.